Today we took a little plane to get to Montreal.
In Canada.
Where's the bathroom? It's up in the front.
We started our Halloween adventure in Montreal's gigantic biodome.
It's right beside a huge stadium that kind of looks like a scorpion.
Oh yeah, there's the tail.
Molly, what does biodome mean?
It's like a zoo, but every room feels like you're in the animal's home. They have porcupines.
Sleepy porcupines.
And fish.
Lots of colorful fish.
And bats.
Our friend Anique said we might find some good Halloween costume ideas here.
Fishing.
Did you see the parrots?
Where? Oh, right there. Those are good for my costume.
On Halloween, kids get dressed up and go door to door trick-or-treating to get candy.
This year, I'm gonna be a pirate.
You're okay to move on?
Hey. Holly! Oh, okay. Do they have bats here?
They do have bats here. I think the bats, if memory serves correctly, are just ahead of us. Do you want to go discover?
Yeah.
Absolutely. All right. This is the bat cage.
Yep. I can see that. Are we going in there?
A bat expert let us come in and help her feed the bats.
Hope they don't land on my head.
You know what? They fly by you very closely because they're just curious.
These bats like all different types of fruit.
This is a brochette, and they eat. What do you see on here? What do you think they eat?
Cantaloupe and apples.
In pears and apples. Sometimes papaya.
Over here.
And look,
Come on.
banana. You want to see
Is
what's
there
going
one
on
on
banana?
my
Come with me.
We put some fruit on the wall for the bats to eat.
Some people think bats can't see, but they can, just not very well.
Okay, time to go.
Okay.
Those bats weren't scary at all.
All right, were you scared?
Sort of.
Little bit.
A lot.
Okay, a little bit, but that's what Halloween is all about.
Anique took us to a conservatory where there were more Halloween activities to do.
Look at these scary pumpkins.
Another thing kids do is decorate pumpkins for Halloween.
Scary.
Here's Molly. Here's Molly. Sam, look at the spider one.
We made a pumpkin artist so we can make our own.
I've got an idea for my pumpkin already.
So what's your idea for your pumpkin?
A scary bat.
You're gonna make a scary bat?
She had all sorts of stuff for us to decorate with.
How do I start if I want to make a bat?
Well, it's all in your mind. You could start painting your pumpkin.
Like black, and then I could put the pipe cleaners, and
That's
I could make the
right.
wings, and I could put them in black construction paper.
Yeah, we have construction paper just over here. All
And
right.
use those eyeballs.
Of course.
It's hollow. Come over and look at my pumpkin.
Are you all right?
Man. How's your back going, bud? Good. Sam, bud.
Good.
How's your funky pumpkin? Good. Ta-da!
You've got it?
Yep,
You're ready?
I got it. Look at my trick. I'm Look, it goes right through.
We gotta put our pumpkins with the other pumpkins.
Merci beaucoup.
Bienvenue.
Merci, mademoiselle.
Merci means thank you in French.
And au revoir means goodbye.
We couldn't wait to get back to the hotel to change into our costumes.
When we got outside, though, it was starting to rain.
It was a very long ride, so Sam and I played a game to pass the time.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I win. The best do it.
A very long drive.
Figures.
Mom was already changed into her witch costume.
And waiting to help us get into our costumes. I'm dressing up like a hippie.
Time for my pirate costume.
Where are we gonna trick or treat tonight?
Where are we trick-or-treating? We're going to La Plage Jacques-Cartier in Old Montreal.
I have to fetch my earring right now.
You are a vision of hippie loveliness, Molly.
Thank you. Makeup time!
All right, here we go, guys. Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Mom. My
Welcome,
turn!
Sam. Ready to go.
Being like Grandpa.
We had a great, scary Halloween in Montreal.
Hi, Annie.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Molly. You guys look terrific in your costumes. I think that we should go to La Plage Jacques-Cartier and do some trick-or-treating before we end our day.
Today we're visiting an animal rescue center in Costa Rica. Guess what we passed along the way?
A real volcano.
It was a bit of a long car ride, so we played a game.
Unos, dos, tres.
You blinked way before me.
What in? Try to keep up, Mom.
That's Alvaro. He takes care of the animals.
And that's Benjamin. He gets taken care of. What is this animal?
This is a kinkajou. His name is Benjamin.
Hi, Benjamin.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Kinkajous live in the rainforests of Costa Rica.
He has a lot of fur, but he's not very soft.
Mm-hmm.
How do we hold him?
He want to kiss you, huh?
Well, he give me a kiss.
Benjamin's only 11 months old. He likes snacking on bananas.
He is hungry.
He's very hungry.
This is a rainforest right here.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. We were going to hike in the rainforest.
Costa Rica has lots of beautiful rainforests.
And lots of animals that live in them.
People bring in injured animals they find to Alvaro so he can help them get better. Then take them back to the rainforest.
Just like Benjamin.
See, we took a walk through the rainforest to look for more plants and animals.
That's a leaf that was eaten by ants.
Because some are going one way with the leaves.
Sam, did you know that Costa Rica has over 500,000 different types of animals and that most of them are insects?
Whoa, that's a lot of bugs.
Some park rangers came by to drop off some birds that were ready to be released.
Is that a parrot?
Yeah, this is a bird.
Well, will we let them out?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Eventually, Alvaro will take these birds to a quiet spot and release them back into the
I'm
wild.
on a stick. Ow! Watch out, Molly. They're wild birds. What's his name?
Cuca. Cuca is her name.
Hola.
Hola! Alvaro taught us goodbye in Spanish.
Hasta luego, Cuca.
Alvaro also has reptiles like caimans.
Cayman is Spanish for alligator.
How do you call the caimans over?
With this.
Come out, wherever you are. It's just a little guy.
The other caiman's coming.
The big one?
Yeah.
Cayman?
Caiman.
Okay, try.
Throw it right there and say,
Go, Cayman.
Very good.
try throwing it, aiming right.
Go, Cayman, go get it.
Alvaro doesn't just have baby caimans. He also has baby monkeys.
Oh, she's just a baby.
Yeah, she's a baby.
They're called howler monkeys because they sound like they're howling when they talk.
How old is she?
She's 11 months old.
Just like Benjamin.
Yeah, exactly.
When she gets a bit older, Alvaro will return her to the rainforest too.
Yeah, she's Nena. Hi, Nena.
Hi, Nina. Can we touch her?
Yeah.
Is she soft?
Soft and cute.
Oh, she is. Look how big her hands are.
Yes, look. 5 fingers. Can you see?
Just like ours.
Yeah, 5. Yes.
Look,
Good boy.
can I hold her?
Hi.
You want to feel
She's laughing.
something? Do you want? She's hungry. Ah,
There
yum,
you
yum,
go.
yum.
I like how they peel the banana.
Yeah.
Can I hold her? Uh-oh. Hi, Nina.
To get Nina ready to return to the wild, Alvaro teaches her what foods to eat in the rainforest.
Which tree?
This on your left side.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Bang, Nena, come here. We want to release Nina. Okay, Nena. Hey, Nena. Look,
Nina.
she's learning what kind of leaves she can eat. That is the process to release howler monkey. Yum, yum, yum.
So you bring her out here every day?
Yeah, every day.
Sort of like exercising to become wild.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Nina.
Bye, Nena.
Bye, Nina.
Soon, Nina will be ready to go back into the wild in Costa Rica.
Hi, Alvaro.
Hi. Before you go, do you want to help me to release some birds?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Do we get to release all these birds?
Yes, all of them.
Yep.
It took us 2 planes to get to Montana,
In the USA.
then a long car ride to get to Virginia City.
In the USA.
Rosie, they're both in the USA.
I know.
That's Dan. He's dressed like cowboys were in the old days.
He showed us how to pan for gold.
Shall we learn how to pan?
Yeah. Dan showed us how cowboys used to shovel dirt out of the creek and put it into a gold pan.
Then he showed us how to shake the pan back and forth to separate the gold from the other rocks.
We weren't finding anything.
But the cowboys didn't always find gold either.
Guess what they never found up here? The mother lode. You know what a mother lode is?
Yeah, like a whole
The
big
whole
bunch.
big deposit.
Rosie, let's keep looking.
Find lots of gold.
And guess what?
Holy cow,
Gold.
I think we're rich.
Dan told us that cowboys used to ride this huge old steam engine to Nevada City to trade the gold they found for other things.
We wanted to try riding the train like the cowboys did. So we caught a lift on an old stagecoach.
Hi, DJ.
Hi, guys. You want to go for a stagecoach ride?
Okay.
Whoa.
When we finally got up, we got to yell the horses' names to get them to go. Duke and Dawn!
People used to use stagecoaches to get them around in the old days. It's a lot bumpier than a car.
Yeah, but lots of fun. Bye, BJ.
Bye, guys.
At the train station, we met Bobby.
She's the engineer of this old steam engine.
Do you know how much this old train weighs, Rosie?
As much as an elephant?
Way more. It weighs 83,000 pounds. That's like 8 elephants.
This is so cool.
Can you reach?
Sounds like an elephant, too. All aboard! How does the steam engine work?
When I pull that throttle, that steam from the water we boil with the fire goes into a steam cylinder, and that steam cylinder makes the wheels go round.
When we got to Nevada City, there was nobody there.
Nevada City was a real town. There were over 9,000 people that lived here. Now we have nothing but ghosts.
They call it a ghost town because nobody lives there anymore. Rosie, where'd you go? Rosie? Rosie?
Boo!
Rosie! We took pictures of ourselves pretending to be ghosts.
Julie and I put our best ghost faces on for the camera.
Good ghost face, Mom. Nowadays, cowboys work on ranches.
With horses. That's our friend Karina.
She's gonna take us horseback riding.
At her ranch. But we couldn't figure out who was gonna get the window seat.
So we settled it the cowboy way. Go ahead, Rosie. It's time to play. Is sitting by the window worth getting all wet? left Nevada City and drove out to the countryside.
The mountains were huge. We saw lots of animals on the way to Karina's ranch. And even more animals when we got there.
They're not animals. That's Ty and Brand.
This is how you do it. This is how you do it.
They showed us how to throw a lasso.
Well, sort of.
Cowboys use lassos to catch cows that have gotten away from the herd.
How do you do it?
Sorry, it takes practice.
Man,
It's a lot harder than it looks. But we kept trying. And guess what?
Woo! Way good roping!
Horseback riding time!
Let's go, yeah!
yeah.
Yeah, yeah!
Are horses your favorite animal?
They are. They are my favorite animal.
Do you want to know what my favorite animal is?
What's your favorite animal?
It is a shark and a polar bear.
Really?
Why do cowboys say yeehaw?
Why do they say yeehaw? It's kind of, it's the cowboy form of yelling.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
Ready for mine?
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
Nice.
We had a great time being cowboys
And cowgirls.
in the USA.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Karina.
Hey, before you leave, you want to go roast some s'mores over a bonfire?
Marshmallows!
Tell you to run.
Some more?
Well, pick me up with golden hand.
Bye!
Bye.